I am going to be showing you guys how to advance a timer on a Whirlpool ice maker. This is the only tool you need. First, you gotta remove this cover right here. And you could push on the top a little bit downwards and pull towards you. There we have it. What you're going to be doing is make sure that the armature inside is not stuck in the ice. If it is, melt it down. So you're going to be pushing on this tab in here and with your finger pull on the gear. There it is. Whatever you do, don't move the teeth too much. You want to turn it about 10 degrees to your right there, and then make sure these contacts are good. You can see there's a burn spot right there, but the copper piece is still in good shape. So all you have to do is wipe it down and put it back in place. And there we have it. Looks like it's advancing. Looks like it's done.